Hello, dear subscribers. Hope you all are doing great. A warm welcome to our YouTube channel. Here we upload amazing facts related to food, technology, psychology, horror, and many others. Enjoy the facts and share it with your friends and family. Also, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Keep supporting. The fear of bathing, cleaning, or washing is called ablutophobia. 50% of our hand strength comes from a little finger or pinky finger. Ab Tumhare Hawale Watan Sathiyo is the longest Hindi song ever made in Bollywood. Wrestler John Cena is suffering from arachnophobe. It's nothing but the fear of spiders. In an average lifetime, human skin completely replaces itself 900 times. Smoking a cigarette reduces a person's expected lifespan by 11 minutes. In Portugal, writing with red ink is considered to be rude. Varanasi is the most ancient surviving city in the world. Humans are just one of the estimated 8.7 million species on Earth. A giraffe can clean its ears with its 21 inches tongue. An American rapper Lil Uzi Vert implanted a diamond of cost $24 million in his forehead. Only 2% of the world population have green eyes. An average adult releases 4,284 gallons sweat in his lifetime. Bubble wrap was originally designed to be used as wallpapers. A woman speaks about 20,000 words in a day while a man speaks only 7,000. The squirrel uses its tail as an umbrella. 1 teaspoon of honey is equal to entire life's hard work of 12 bees. If we cut off a snail's eye, a new eye will grow. More than 7,000 types of apples grown throughout the world. Initially, Google was called Backrub. One lakh mobile phones fall into the toilet every year in Britain. There is a museum in Belgium for strawberries. Heroin was once used as a cough medicine. Kissing someone is more sanitary than shaking hands. No one has been allowed to fly over the Taj Mahal in past 15 years. Tsunami survival pod made and sold in Japan. There are almost 20 million insects for a human. There is only one stop sign in the entire city of Paris. The leaf sheep, sea slug, the only animal that can photosynthesize. Eating mangoes before smoking marijuana can heighten its effects. The pea is the oldest known vegetable. There is a video on YouTube whose views freezed at 301. Most Koreans don't produce body odor due to large-scale dominance of the gene ABCC11. The Guinness World Record for longest kiss 58 hours 35 minutes and 58 seconds. Man gets Lay's pack full of chips and not egg. Twitter says he should try luck in lottery. A Korean yoga master once escaped prison by slipping through the 15 cm high, 14 cm wide food slot in his cell. A million Earths would fit inside the sun. Camels don't actually store water in their humps. A town in Iceland painted a crosswalk for drivers to notice it more. Father built a wooden electric Lamborghini for his son in 65 days. According to science, people who are always late are probably more creative. Armadillos have shells so hard they can deflect a bullet. After Siri, Alexa and Google Assistant, now Samsung Galaxy comes up with its virtual assistant, Sam. There is a river zoo in China that puts you in a cage and lets the animal run free. The first cell phone took 10 hours to charge, had 30 minutes of battery life, cost $10,000+. Our mind has the ability to detect and sense danger. Chinese developer builds 10-story in Changsha in just over 28 hours. Thanks for watching.